Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend on your location and the time we take see this video. So I want to quickly identify these challenges where they go up and down concerning this Edo state and Edo tribe. Many of our Edo people, many tribe under Edo state and Nigeria, that they give us wrong identity. That they let us they know say because of say many tribe they away from Edo state inside here. Now there's nothing like Edo language. Say now Benin language now we they see. Now Benin we they speak, we not they speak Edo. So all those things now just wrong identity. That they give us wrong identity. You understand? So before the creation of Nigeria, before the creation of Edo states, now Edo people now we be by tribe. You understand? Now Edo we they speak by tribe. There's nothing like Benin language. Maze Bini, Oyedoma here, Domaze. So most people looking from the roots. During the reign of our Oba Bini, Oba Ewa the First, in the year 1414 to 1473, we changed our tribe identity from Igodomigodo to Edo. Then when Portuguese come during his reign, now they see change the name of the kingdom from Ubini Nokbebu to Bini Kingdom. To Bini Nokbebu, Bini Nokbebu, Ubini Nokbebu to Bini Nokbebu. So now they see change like that. The Portuguese with the white men will come that time. Now he changed that from Ubini to Bini. And we can be Edo by tribe, then Bini by kingdom. That time they come, nothing change, nothing spoil. When they come, nothing spoil. So come reach the year 1897 during the invasion when British country invade Benin. When they invade the kingdom, they don't invade the language, they don't invade our tribe. We still be Edo by tribe. Now the kingdom, now they invade. So when they invade and finish, they can't find how to colonize the country, how to amalgamate the country and everything. Until 1914, when they can't amalgamate the country, we still be Edo by tribe, Bini by city. The kingdom already invade, so we can't be Bini by city. You understand? So nothing changed our tribe that time. They come. 1960 we become independent. We still be Edo by tribe. Nothing change our tribe name. We can't be Bini by city at that time. 1963 when we become Midwest under Nigeria. That time we still be Edo by tribe, Bini by city. All those tribes that time, all those Esan, Esako, all of them see they under we Edo people. They under Bini by city that time. You understand? They under Bini by city at that time when we become Midwest in 1963. So 1976, when they changed the name from Midwest to Benin, we still be Edo by tribe. Notice change our tribe name. You understand? We still be Edo by tribe, Bini by city. Other tribe, all those Esan, Esako, all of the city under the city. You understand? 1991, when they come split Benin State and Benin City. So they can't name the states after our tribe, which is Edo State. Then the city can be Benin City. You understand? Inside there, we still be Edo by tribe. Nothing spoil, nothing change. Until TikTok can comment. As TikTok come out, social media can explore, they can comment. So people now can tribalism, tribal one, everything can they come out, they can they give us wrong identity, they can they make us if you say where we not be Edo by tribe again, we be Bini by tribe. There's nothing like a Edo language, na Benin language. So I want to use this video to let everybody know say all those things are wrong identity. We be Edo by tribe, not Bini. You understand? We be Bini by city, from the kingdom at large by the city in Edo state. You understand? So only you need to get to a video na ya vekimane ivia dove. So wagimahe via wagima mwet benegbe magboto ni vie hwen ni viuzon Edo maze wi Edo mahin Edo maze Edo ewema wagima do aye rude social media or rude civilization do ya mwet benegbe magboto na viuzon wala ni wen ona yo ni do ye video na viata wa do mo ni wen oba top le ise